Kaunti ya Murang'a Irungu Kang'ata nigakoreta raeri tukule goikase kaunti ya Kisii gukwana kurwase kaunti ya Kisii ni gono mugavana uyo abereka gotene nchere ya manyaro wikirana sense meye gako ne kibuna ngonyara wali kuriga cinchera au chokonyara ukini sector aso konyara gokinia chinsemo au gotumeka cinchera chiekerero nigate birabuna aso gotumeka cinde chiekero sa teknolojia nchere nyara gokonyo bokoreri anane meye kaunti ya Kisii engana irobo litomona gotebuna mbacho gokini chinsemo au gatebo chinsemo chobo chano egenda tebekira konyo kwango yobo korene korene nsamangana ringe tobo kurumi ane mono ase county ya Kisii.
We came here to discuss how we can help Kisii County automate on matters healthcare, revenue collection, land application systems, so that for instance if you are a Kisii resident who wants to apply for land development, let's say you are putting up a new building, you don't have to come to the county offices to seek those services. You apply online, you get a certificate online, and you commence your construction. That way you reduce instances of corruption and it becomes more efficient on the people of Kisii. Secondly, on matters healthcare, again, the governor wanted us to help the team to see how they can boost revenue because definitely Kisii is a rich county, one of the most beautiful counties in the entire Republic of Kenya. So how can we bring in a revenue system that can enable county seal all gaps on matters revenue collection? And also it helps in planning. You are a CEC of health, you want to know what drugs you will purchase, whether there is an emergence of diseases, you are able to monitor that using automation. And therefore we took the team through. They were able to see our systems, and we will continue with that engagement to see whether we can do sharing of knowledge. Came here to see the good work the governor of Kisii is doing. He is one of the most important and consequential governors in the entire Republic of Kenya. The people of Kisii should be very proud of your governor. We respect him, we love him, and he's doing a marvelous job. On that account, we came to see him and to see what lesson we can draw from his good work in Kisii. Yeah, we want to tell you, the people of Kisii, you did not make a bad choice. I can tell you, Simba Arati will take you far. He is a